and welcome to the Couch Potato. आज हम बात करेंगे ECA की and how you can get your ECA done from WES. I'll also tell you about the mistakes that I made for my WES, जिसकी वजह से not only my application was delayed, but ultimately my PR application was rejected. So stay with me till the end. Education Credential Assessment, better known as ECA, is used to verify your foreign degree, diploma or certificate. इसका simple सा मतलब यही है that if you have studied from outside of Canada, you need to get this assessment done to prove that your education is valid and is also equal to a Canadian one. So the first question is कि ECA किसको और क्यों कराना पड़ता है? If you are a primary applicant, you need to get your ECA done to be eligible to apply for Canadian PR. Now, if you're still unsure about your eligibility, please check out my previous video for more details on the same. I've added the link in description. Secondly, with an ECA, you can earn extra points in your CRS score for education outside of Canada. Now, even if you are an accompanying spouse or common law partner, you should get your ECA done because you can get extra points for that as well. Even if you have only secondary education, which is class 12, you will still get 2 points. And वो भी क्यों छोड़ने? Moving on to where you can get this done from. There are mainly 5 agencies जो ये काम करती हैं. The first one is WES, which is the most popular one simply because it is the fastest. There's also IQAS and ICAS. You can go for IQAS if your college or your university is not listed in WES. You can go for ICAS when you have a master's degree like MBA or MSc, but it is recognized as bachelor's degree by WES. So even though IQAS and ICAS are a bit slower than WES, they're still beneficial for some people. If you're a physician or a specialist physician, you can go for the Medical Council of Canada. And for pharmacists, the agency is Pharmacy Examination Board of Canada. I'll add the link to all these agencies in the description. Now let me tell you how to get your WES done. The first step is to make your WES Canada account. You need to have 2 separate accounts for the primary applicant and for the secondary applicant. Fill in your details as per your passport. It is important to match all your details according to your passport. The next step is to fill in your education details. Now this step is a little tricky. So you can use the WES equivalency tool that I've added in the description box to check whether your degree is considered as a master's degree or a diploma or a bachelor's degree. Now you just need to pay the charges for these services. You will be charged $220 for the services plus delivery charges. अब delivery के लिए आपके पास 2 options होंगे. The first is the standard delivery which costs around $10. The second one is the courier charges which cost $85. And believe me, you can easily go for the standard delivery. पहली चीज़ तो आपको hard copy की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है कहीं भी. And secondly, the standard delivery also takes an equal amount of time. You will get a personalized list of documents that will look something like this. Now these documents need to be sent to WES directly by your university. You need to request your university to send your transcripts in a sealed and stamped envelope to WES. Mostly universities ये regular basis पे करती हैं and they would know the process. You can also use this form to request for your records and हर university में ये process different होता है, so you need to get in touch with your own university for the process. For example, in my case, I did the entire process online. I made the request online and paid them around 3,500 rupees for the transcripts and the delivery charges. But some universities also call their students in person for this process. Also, make sure that your WES reference number is mentioned on all documents as well as on the envelope. Now here's a pro tip for you guys. WES is very active on Twitter, so you can get in touch with them on Twitter for details regarding your application or where your application is stuck. Also, keep an eye on the status of your application in your account. As soon as the status changes to pending on the university's part or they are awaiting response from the university, do get in touch with your university. Now let me tell you how much this entire process cost me. So I paid around 13,000 rupees for WES, including the standard delivery charges. Apart from this, I also paid 3,490 rupees to my university for the transcripts. So that made my total to around 16,500. So in your case, it could be anywhere between 15,000 to 17,000 depending on how much your university charges. And if you have a secondary applicant with you, it would cost the same. So it costs around 35,000 rupees for WES, as this is the first major cost that will be incurred in your entire PR process. Now coming to the most important part, these are the mistakes that I made. Firstly, I ordered my WES very late. So it generally takes 3 to 4 months for WES, but considering the situation, the COVID situation, it could take anywhere up to 6 to 8 months for you. So as soon as you decide that you want to migrate to Canada, this is the first thing that you should do. The second mistake that I made, ये मेरी सबसे बड़ी गलती थी, because I did not share a copy of my evaluation with IRCC. So what happens is that if you don't share your copy with IRCC, they do not get an official copy from WES and they consider your report to be invalid. Make sure कि आप जब अपना WES का अकाउंट क्रिएट करो, you select your purpose as immigration, and when they ask you whether you want to share a copy with IRCC, you select yes. If you don't do that, IRCC will reject your application for being incomplete. I hope you found this video informational, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be releasing new videos every week related to Canadian immigration. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you next time.